In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Alexa not turning on when plugged in. So the step number one is going to be for us to check the power source. So make sure the outlet is working, and to be able to make sure that it's actually working, we're going to plug in another device like a phone charger or a lamp, for example, just to see if that works. So try a different outlet just to be sure as well. And step number two, inspect the power cable and adapter. So check the power cable and adapter for damage or if it's wear out basically, and make sure you're using the original adapter that came with your Alexa device. That is also important to make sure that you can actually make it work. Try a different compatible cable and adapter if you have one to see if that can also fix this issue for you. So the step number two, look for signs of life. So you're going to watch for spinning blue ring or orange light on the Alexa itself, of course, faint clicks or sounds when plugged in. If the light flashes briefly, the device may be boot looping or stuck. Step number four, hard reset the device. Unplug Alexa from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait at least 1 full minute to see if it responds. If it doesn't respond, we're going to then try step number five. Try a factory reset if it turns on briefly, by the way. So if you see any lights, so for the Echo Dot, 3rd Gen and newer, hold the action button, the dot, for about 25 seconds until the light turns orange. So Echo with screen, so it's going to be hold the mute plus volume down until the screen shows the reset message, just so you know. So you're going to hold mute plus the volume down button until the screen will show the reset message. So you probably can see if you have this one right here, you will have the mute button. And quite often it's like, it can be a microphone with like a cross on it, for example, or something similar to this. And also the volume down button, you should be able to find it easily. Maybe it says like minus. As you can see on volume, it probably says like plus or minus as an example. So just hold down the minus if you have it. And step number six, contact support or replace. If there's no sign of power at all, after trying other cables and outlets, you're going to then contact the Amazon official customer support. If it's under warranty, they may replace the device for you, just so you know.